Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Outlook Web. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This will load your inbox and give you access to all your Outlook settings. After logging in, wait a moment while your emails fully load on the screen. Now that you're in your inbox, let's navigate to where you can adjust your time zone settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to open the settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience, including the time zone that determines how timestamps appear on your emails and calendar events. Once the settings window opens, you'll see a menu on the left side with different categories. Look for and click on the General tab. This section contains fundamental settings that control how Outlook operates for your account. After clicking on General, you'll see several options appear. From these options, select Language and Time. This specific section controls both your display language preferences and your time zone settings, ensuring your emails and calendar entries reflect the correct local time. Within the Language and Time section, you'll see an Outlook settings area. Here you'll find time zone listed among other options. Next to the time zone, you'll notice a change link. Click on this link to proceed. This action will take you directly to the displayed calendar time zone settings, where you can modify how Outlook shows time across all your emails and calendar appointments. Now you'll see a drop-down menu for selecting your time zone. Click on this drop-down and a comprehensive list of time zone options from around the world will appear. Scroll through the list and find the time zone that matches your current location or the location you want Outlook to use for displaying times. Once you've found the correct time zone, simply click on it to select it. This ensures all your meeting times, email timestamps, and calendar events will display in the time zone you've chosen. After selecting your preferred time zone, look at the bottom right part of the settings window. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply your new time zone setting. Outlook will process this change and update your account accordingly. You might need to wait a brief moment while the system saves your preferences and refreshes your view. And that's it. You've successfully changed your time zone in Outlook Web, and now all your emails and calendar events will display times according to your selected time zone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.